Brown Outdoors here. Today we are going to be cleaning and greasing this John Deere 140 mower. We're going to be cleaning out all this grass right there. And I don't know if you guys can see this. There's a whole bunch of stuff under there. And we're going to be greasing these circuits right here. And then greasing this one. And then greasing this one. And the ones under there. So I'll be getting everything ready, and I'll see you in a little bit. So I'm going to be using this right here, and I'll be blowing right. Might have to use the. I'm going to use this one right here. And just get under there. Okay, just got done doing all that. And now we are going to move on. Clean off all these engines, and the battery, and then the filters. Okay, so I'll just get the hose. There used to be a mouse nest in here, but we got it all out. Clean the fan. See all that crap right in there? Up the air filter. And this is a 22 horsepower and a 724cc engine. It's a pretty big engine. Let's see, it's off a little more. Just a little filter right there. I'll take it. Come up here, clean in there. Guys, I always want to make sure this hole goes right into there. Make sure it always clicks, and you're good. Now I'll put it back on. And I'll finish that. I'll be using this right here to clean under here. What I'm gonna do, my hand, get all that out. I'll set you right there. And I will keep doing that for a little bit, and I'll give you guys an update. Got most of it done, got most of it over here, and I will give you an update on right over here and a little bit. Got most of this done over here, got over here, over there. Still a little bit left, but it's okay. I'm gonna go get the grease gun and show you how to grease the tire. You take this grease gun right here and stick the nozzle right in there, and you always want to make sure. See right here, there's grease coming out of there. You don't want that. That means it's full. And then I'll do over here. Grab the grease gun. Hold you. And then stick your nozzle right there. Your wheel's kind of in the way. Pump her in. This one needed a lot of grease. There. See right there? Cap's kind of coming off and there's grease there. And then I will be greasing the top. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. I'll grease that. There's grease coming right in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right in there. And I think that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed Brown Outdoors today. I'll be showing you how to sharpen blades and power washing the lawnmower. Hope you like and subscribe, and I will be seeing you next time. Bye guys.